Yo, it's your boy Tyreedaplug. We at 7eleven. Told y'all I got more videos coming out soon. You look at my last video, we was at a Chinese store and we tried that, chicken fried rice or pork fried rice, I believe. And then it was broccoli lo mein. And then my other video, we went to Burger King. We tried the croissant sandwich. But yeah, we at 7eleven today. We trying 7eleven's, fried chicken wings. Let's see what else we got here. We got let's see here. We got these are mild. We got mild. These 7eleven wings. We about to get these a go. We about to try these out. Messing with the hot food tonight. Every night I like to get some hot food. Stop by 7eleven and get you some food. Right here. Got the taquitos. I love these things right here. These good though. You hit the spot though. Try these though. See, we outside with it. 7eleven don't got no seats like a restaurant, so we outside with it right now. I wash it down with some fucking water. Excuse my language. Not bad, crispy. I always say that shit, crispy. But yeah, I like it crispy. Who don't like crispy? Drop a comment in the comment section if you don't like crispy. What's wrong with you? Let's try a chicken now. Try a chicken right quick. Like, you see, it's crispy. You see them crumbs falling on. You see that? You see that, man? Falling right off. You see that? Yeah, I think this is spicy though, cause my mouth on fire right now. Oh, this is spicy. It's spicy right there.